Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cree and today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial. So right here I'm applying 3 shades. One of the shades is out of the Juviasplace palette and I'm going to go ahead and insert that into this clip. Also, I like to add like a little brown. I got that from another Juviasplace palette and I put it on the outer corner. Before doing all of this, I do prime my skin before because next I'm going to be going into this pressed powder by ColourPop in the shade Dark 20. And I like to use this fluffy brush just to apply it and give it that airbrush appearance before applying my second foundation. And you're just going to take your time and blend it all out. Next, I'll be using the Born This Way matte foundation in the color Mahogany, and I do one little pump and I apply it in sections because this does dry fast. So you just have to apply it evenly and just take your time and really just blend as much as possible because you're gonna see it starting to dry, so you have to be quick with this product. Next, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer in 60NN in the inner corners, following up with the L.A Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I just apply this to my highlighted areas where I would like it to be highlighted. Next, I'm going in with this contour stick. I don't remember the name, but I just apply this to areas that I would like to be contoured. Then I like to blend this out with the Real Technique brush, starting with my highlighted areas. I just make sure that I blend it out very evenly and just take my time. To blend out my contour, I use a flat brush, and I think it's a Morphe brush, but I just go ahead and blend out everything. To set everything, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I take this little corner puff and I just go ahead and apply it evenly in my highlighted areas, and then I finish up just applying it lightly everywhere else. I did apply my lashes off of camera, so now I'm just going to smoke out my bottom eye area. Now to set everything, I'm going to be using the NYX setting spray, and I just spray this all over my face. And I like to use a fan to just make sure that I completely dry my face. So after this, guys, I'm going to be back with the final look because, yeah, this was like a quick tutorial. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see y'all in the next one. You said I can't trust in you.